Hello guys, in today's video we will cover in detail that why Python is the future for you guys. The reason why Python is so powerful and should be your preferred language of choice depends on some of the key areas which we will try to discuss in this video. So let's begin our today's video. On number 1 we have Python is very simple to learn, and to learn Python you need very minimal computer knowledge and software development expertise. Most importantly, in order to learn Python you don't need to learn any other programming language. Python is super easy to learn and code, and that is the super amazing fun for people having no knowledge at all in the programming languages. Number 2, Python focus on simplicity. As I told you earlier that Python code is simple to understand, and while coding in Python, you got to know that there is no complexity involved. And why I am saying that? Because there is only one way to code for any kind of thing. Number 3, great community. Python has a great and active community that providing you a lot of resources, great support to write Python code. On the Python official community page, you will find vast majority of Python packages, libraries, amazing tools, and other useful resources. Number 4, high demand programming language. There is no doubt that Python's popularity continues to grow, and people are so excited to learn Python programming due to high demand jobs in the market. If you can refer to the Programming Language Popularity Index, you will be amazed that Python today is the most popular language worldwide. Number 5, Python is the most widely used programming language on the globe. Python is extremely powerful and capable, and that is the reason why it is undoubtedly the most widely used programming language on the globe. Python capabilities are limitless, but the most widespread use of Python is in the areas of scripting, data science, machine learning, and web development. So guys, how you do programming for machine learning and do data analytics to read patterns, behaviors are the concepts that we will cover in the other videos on this channel. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.